తాకట్లో ఉన్న బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఆ రోజున మార్కెట్ ధర కట్టి మిగిలిన డబ్బును మీకు అందిస్తుంది కొమ్మూరి గోల్డ్.
लक्ष्मीमणवगामिनीं जङ्गामत्तं पुरुषार्द्राञ्जलन्तीं स्थितां पद्मवर्गाभक्तये श्रितं चन्द्रां प्रभासाञ्जलसाज्ज्वलन्ति लोके देवजिष्टामुदारां तां चाप्तै सर्वस्वदित्यै सर्वमेव तेना ब्रह्मण उपहरति यस्ते ददाति
We are from Ashok Leyland, India's second largest truck and bus manufacturer. Today we have come to seek the blessings of the Lord. We are launching a new vehicle called Dost Twin Fuel. It has got two fuel options. Main option is in CNG mode, which is a very clean fuel, and in backup we have petrol option. This vehicle, the first vehicle that we have produced, as you can see here, this is the first vehicle that we have produced. We are devoting it to the Lord here at Tirumala, and now we will start selling it. Customers will benefit a lot because it's a CNG option. It is clean, gives very good mileage, and can carry very good load, which means people who will buy it will be able to earn for their family and take care of their families. We wish to serve the people very well and continue doing so, and have come to seek the blessings of the Lord here at Tirumala. Thank you.
Srinivasa Govinda, Shri Venkatesha Govinda, Bhakta Vatsala Govinda, Bhagavata Priya Govinda, Nitya Nirmala Govinda, Nilamegha Shyama Govinda, Purana Purusha Govinda, Pundarikaksha Govinda, Govinda Hari Govinda, Gokula Nandana Govinda, Govinda Hari Govinda, Gokula Nandana Govinda, Nanda Nandana Govinda, Navanita Chora Govinda, Pasupalaka Sri Govinda, Papa Vimochana Govinda, Dushta Samhara Govinda, Durita Nivarana Govinda, Shishta Paripalaka Govinda, Kashta Nivarana